I received these alcohol markers in the mail from a company called Artbeek. I've never used alcohol markers before, so I wanted to share my process with you guys and document my first attempt. In part 1, I did my sketching and my outlining, so today we're diving in with the markers to see what they're all about. First thing I noticed is that they apply really smoothly. Since they're alcohol based, they actually blend really well. I was expecting to have to go in with my colored pencils to smooth out all of my blends, but these markers are actually more efficient than I expected. I was able to switch back and forth between light tones and dark tones and blend them together while they were still wet. I'm really happy with the texture that I was able to accomplish on the dirt road with these markers. In a way, these remind me of watercolor paint. I was actually nervous to try these out because I've never worked with this type of marker before, but I actually love this process. My intention with this drawing was to create a surrealistic scene to represent the journey of chasing after a dream that seems out of reach. I love surrealism because I also love poetry, and I think surrealism is almost like poetry for the eyes. When I create surreal art, I like every little detail to have its own meaning. For instance, I chose a barren desert for this scene. This could represent a multitude of things: loneliness, exhaustion, difficulty, desire. Then you have cactuses, which hold water just beyond the risk of being injured. I also added a pile of cleverly stacked desert rocks off to the right of the road. This represents the struggle to find a balance while trying to pursue your dream and live your life at the same time. There's a cinder block in the foreground as well. I use cinder blocks all throughout my work to represent the things in life that hinder us. A reminder of all of the toxic things that we have to let go, and all of the challenges that we must overcome to become the best version of ourselves. We all have heavy stuff that we carry around with us that's weighing us down. I also added a skull and a pile of bones. This is symbolic of everybody who dies before they're able to accomplish their dreams. It breaks my heart knowing that a lot of people never see their dreams come true. That leads me to my favorite part of this piece, this old abandoned sign on the side of the road. A true sign of encouragement, represent all of the people and all of the things in life that are trying to guide us to our dreams. People that believe in us, even if they know that going after your dreams is going to be a winding